Welcome to this virtual tour of Nav-to-Net, tightly integrated e-commerce for Microsoft Dynamics Business Central NAV. In this video, we'll explore why and how a product configurator that is purpose-built for Dynamics Business Central NAV can enhance user experience and accelerate order conversion ratios. A product configurator can be a game changer when it comes to B2B e-commerce, especially when it's seamlessly integrated with your ERP, Microsoft Dynamics Business Central NAV in this case. It can offer hyper-personalization using reductive navigation to help your customers configure personalized items exactly as they need. When you build an entire customer experience that revolves around personal interactions, customers are highly engaged in purchases. The Nav-to-Net Product Configurator is a guided selling wizard integrated with Microsoft Dynamics Business Central, or NAV. The step-by-step process is managed entirely in Business Central, NAV, and can help guide your customers to better buying decisions while streamlining the sales of customized items. Configurator acts like a sales representative on your website, defining and articulating customer motivations and needs while presenting features, customizations, options, and prices. Nav-to-Net Configurator is easily adapted and modified to suit your business and customer needs. You may have a specific look and feel branding needs that need to be addressed. With Configurator, it is possible to achieve several different looks by simply changing the CSS theme and various layout options. Managed in Business Central NAV, it is simple to present your configurator in any way you want. Nav-to-Net Configurator is adaptable to many selling situations, regardless of industry. The setup and management of the configurator are very simple and are easily manipulated. So adding or changing questions and options to suit your needs is done quickly. Due to the seamless integration of Business Central NAV, changes are seen in real time. Configurator is also customizable for testing purposes. The web-enabled toggle minimizes work, so there is no need to create and recreate steps of a configurator. Seamless integration to Business Central NAV is at the core of what we do at Digital Vantage Point, and Configurator is no exception. An extension of the integrated Nav-to-Net solution, Configurator always allows you to integrate with ERP items, attributes, pricing, and availability. Because of the integration, you will also see real-time changes when managing content in Configurator using built-in document management tools. Content and images are all managed within Business Central NAV at each level, be it on the page, step, question, or option level. You can pick and choose exactly what you want to modify. Because you can integrate Business Central NAV items and attributes, you are not just limited to one item you want to sell. Customers will be more receptive to upsells and cross-sells if they can see the context. With exclusions in the configurator, you can offer your customers some contextual help based on their selection. This minimizes the amount of time spent on back-and-forth communications, reorders, shipping delays, and other issues with getting the product just right. Configurator, like all Nav-to-Net solutions, offer responsive design. Customers will be able to access your website and configurator no matter which device they're using, whether it's desktop, laptop, tablet, or mobile device. We hope you're enjoying the comprehensive capabilities that Nav-to-Net integrated e-commerce platform offers. If you like what you've seen here and you would like to learn more, please contact Digital Vantage Point at sales@dvp.net. Thanks again for participating in this presentation.